When I first saw someone draw on the iPad, I was like, this is so fun. And so I couldn't wait to learn more about how to do that. And that's when I found out about Procreate, which is an app you can put on your iPad and learn about. But once I uploaded it, I was so confused. I was like, what are all these things? I don't understand. And so that's why I'm excited to teach you. So I'm going to try to break it down for you. When you click on this right here, it's like two little pieces of paper, okay? And that's called layers, which you can see right here. And all of these different things I have are different layers. So let me just kind of show you an example. When I click on this, it takes away that. So I drew that on a layer. Okay, so just to demonstrate, let's pretend like you drew these here, okay? And then on another layer, you drew this. So it's kind of like you have two pieces of paper. That's kind of like what these little things are. So you have two layers, right? You can take one away. If I want to take away the Procreate 101, I could take that away and I still have this left on the page. Then if I want to take away this, remember I had two layers, I can still have this on here and I'm going to take this away. And so we're going to take that and then we'll have Procreate. Okay, let's learn how to add a layer. We're going to go up to the layers. We're going to click the plus sign. Now we have an empty layer. We're going to draw a heart right here. Okay, and I'm going to drop color in and look. Well, we're going to go to our layers and they're all on separate layers, like pieces of paper on top of each other. We want to move this down underneath all of those so it shows up behind it. We can still read our words and we can still see the heart. I hope this helped you a little bit about learning about layers. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Make sure you're following and you can learn about my membership. Stay tuned.